Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to verify app. An internet connection is required to verify trust of the developer in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to install any app on your phone, you might get a this type error that you cannot or you're unable to verify app. An internet connection is required to verify trust of the developer. iPhone distribution, the fountain has that this app will not be available until verified. So let's see how can you easily fix that. You just have to go back from here, and there's a simple way it might help when your phone is connected to any VPN or when your internet is connected or using any DNS. So you just have to go for setting here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, and after that you have to go back and you have to look for a second setting which is DNS. So you can simply search for this, or if you can't find the service, so it might be that it's not available on your iPhone. So you just have to go back, retry to open the app, or if you're still facing the same issues, go for general again, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network setting. It will not delete any type of your data, so you can really try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed, or you will not get the same issue again with any app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.